When most people hear blizzard, you think 20 inches of snow, right? You can have a blizzard with 2 inches of snow. It's really more about the wind and the visibility. That's the strict definition of a blizzard. So you don't need 20 inches of snow to have a storm called a blizzard. So here's the National Weather Service definition. Again, more about the wind and the visibility. You have to have sustained winds or frequent gusts at 35 miles per hour or higher, snow or blowing snow that reduces the visibility down to a quarter mile or less, and the duration has to be at least 3 hours or more for them to issue a blizzard warning. So yes, Western Maryland is under a blizzard warning, but they're not expecting 20 inches of snow out there. Some spots could get 5 or 10 inches, especially on the western facing slopes of the western part of Garrett County here. Deep Creek Lake is included in this blizzard warning. It goes until 10 in the morning on Thursday. The snow really hasn't picked up yet, so it's not really intense. You saw in that camera shot from the Wisp Ski Resort, it is snowing, but it's not blinding snow just yet. You can see just a little bit of light snow showing up on our scan here out in Western Maryland. But if you do have travel plans tonight or even early tomorrow morning to drive through Western Maryland, the snow is going to pick up tonight, and it's going to get more intense as we head through the overnight and into tomorrow morning.